Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at an all-new 2019 19 SPX. This boat has a nice walkthrough. The interior color is dune. It's a brown with darker brown accents. Has Fusion speakers, 4 speakers, and great color combination. Underneath this back seat is a fully insulated cooler, the drain at the bottom. Here at the helm, have all the controls that you need: your tack, speedometer, trim, and depth finder. We have a Fusion radio. The flooring is a snap-in infinity woven flooring. Here at the bow we have plenty of room for 2 to 5 people and an easy way to board the front. This 19 SPX is powered by a 4.5 liter 200 horsepower engine. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out this boat or any of the other ones we have on display today.